Atom, the app for documentation and monitoring. Sustainable, intuitive, and always accessible. Atom provides you with all the information about our units wherever you are. Since 2020, over 11,000 users worldwide have chosen Atom, saying goodbye to paper for a more eco-friendly approach. Are you interested in our products and want to learn about their benefits and features? In the general documentation, you'll find catalogs, manuals, brochures, dimensional drawings, technical data sheets, and UL certificates. All organized by category, available in multiple languages, and easily accessible thanks to the advanced search function. Have you purchased a product and need to install, start up, or maintain it? Simply scan its QR code or nameplate, or register it manually by entering the serial number and code. You'll be able to view it on a map, organize it into customized categories, and instantly access manuals, wiring diagrams, conformity declarations, spare parts lists, and much more. All downloadable in a single file specific to the serial number. And if you need support, our team is always just a click away. Download Atom for iOS, Android, and Windows. Atom, our expertise always with you.